This presentation is on how to land a job using SMC's job board, also known as HireSMC. If you're looking for an opportunity to find employment, HireSMC is a great job board resource to help you search various positions. Here, local employers post positions on our exclusive SMC's job board, and they're looking for SMC students like you. Here, you can find part-time and full-time jobs, internship positions in various industries, from small to large companies. You can be the first one to learn about those new internships, jobs, and events that will help you not only network, but also land your dream job. Both students and alumni can register to create an account. So let's get started on how to register and access those jobs and internships. First, you will navigate to SMC's Career Center webpage, and on the left-hand side panel, click on the Job Search Resources. Then navigate to Off-Campus Resources, where you will see the HireSMC link. Another way to navigate to SMC's job board is to simply type in your browser this link, collegecentral.com/SMC. Now to register, you will click on Create an Account. After you clicked on that, you will need to use your SMC's student email or student ID. Followed by it, you will need to create a password that requires 8 to 10 characters that must include one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one symbol. After you are done, click Continue. On the next page, you will fill out your contact information and only fill in the required areas marked by the red asterisks. On the next section, you may include your address or use the school address. For your address, we do not contact you by this address and it is not shared with anyone. In this next section, it's preferences and qualifications, where we determine how well you match up with job opportunities. For your job location area, you may include California, and since we only allow local companies to post on our job board, just select California. In the following sections, we have job interest areas where you choose all that apply, or you may select all, otherwise you may miss out on incredible opportunities, but you may not have otherwise considered. Next, you will select work status and identify the degree that you're currently pursuing at your school. And lastly, your major is very important because this is how we know how to email you based on your interests. You may select 2 majors so you can learn about various opportunities. On the following section with the graduation date, it really doesn't matter. You can estimate as best as you can. You will always have access to the platform even as an alum. On the email authorization section, under Career Central email notification, mark do not receive these. These are messages that are not from the school. On the next section for school email notification, do not check this box. You do want to receive notices from the school, and we only send notifications occasionally for outstanding opportunities. And last, you will check the agree to the terms and conditions, and you're now registered. And now we wish you happy job hunting. Now that you have registered, you can access My School's Jobs. Once you click on your school's job, you will be able to see and navigate to look for various resources and jobs, viewing all of the jobs by filtering by various majors. You can search for jobs with keywords or view job by the job title. Here you can find anything from part-time jobs to retail jobs to professional jobs, internships, and volunteer opportunities. Also, you can click on the heart symbol, and this is where you can add jobs and internships to your favorite list. And Career Central is here to assist you with all of your career needs, from job search strategies to resume to internship and much more. To contact us, please call us here at 310-434-4337 to make an appointment, or you may email us at careerservices@smc.edu. We also provide Zoom video conferencing to help you access SMC's career services remotely. We hope that this was helpful, and we look forward to help you land your next job.